said, look, you can f with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes.
I'm getting ready to go to work. I'm gonna take this off. I'm trying not to mess up my hair, but I'm gonna tie the thing so tight. Uh-oh, hold on, y'all. Wish me luck. Okay, I got it off. I double tied it so it'll lay flat, because this is what you guys want to do when you're making your little ponytail. You want to make sure you tie it down really, really tight. You see? So it'll be nice and smooth. So I want to come and show you guys how to do this quick, easy, simple look. There's never a reason to look busted, and I always tell you guys that. So please stay flawless, ladies. Stay flawless, stay flawless, stay flawless. So this is the brand that I'm using. It's called Hollywood Yak Braid. This is a new Hollywood. It says a new Hollywood fiber. So you guys can see that. And I only paid $3 for this pack. Just in case you guys want to try out a color. I wanted to go for a more of an ombre look. So this is why I got this one. I lucked up because they didn't have anything. But anyway, I took it out of the pack. And you see it's blunt at the end. Let me show you guys. It's blunt at the end. So what you want to do is kind of like pull it, so it doesn't have that even look. Because if it do, it's going to be really ugly. So you just want to gently pull it to make it uneven. And you see how it has this little point at the end now? Every pack of hair come with this rubber band at the top. You just want to simply put it over your ponytail like this. And you can double it if you want. I think that'll be better so it's not loose. But be careful not to break it. If you do break it, you just have to go and get another rubber band. Okay. So the look that I'm going for, I'm gonna do a braid. I'm gonna try a braid, okay? And it's in 2 pieces. Do I want to do a braid? Yeah. I'm gonna do a braid. So I have to separate it into 3 even pieces. So this is what I'm gonna do. Now you have 1, and then this one is still too big, and that one is too small. So you want to take a little from this one. So now I have 3 even pieces. I'm going to braid this really loosely. That's the look I'm going for. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to braid it really loose, guys. Keep shaking it because you don't want it to get tangled. Try to loosen it up. If you see it's getting snagged or anything. So. Okay, so you want to make sure that you make the braid nice and neat. Neatness is everything. I even learned that in cosmetology school. Because if think about it, ladies. If somebody did your hair, nails, makeup, or anything, at least if they made it wearable, nice and neat, it'll be good. It'll be, it'll be wearable. That's self-explanatory. So, yeah. So, you see how the braid is coming out, guys? Nicely and neatly. I'm just going to go ahead and braid it all the way to the tip. But I'm all across social media, guys. We have to really step our game up and make our presence known. We are not a small YouTube channel. Small YouTuber who? We big. We the Dream family. We taking over. So I need y'all to help me take over. And we also started our new drummer channel called Straight Out the Grease. Straight Out the Grease TV. I got some drama I gotta be posted. So make sure you guys, if you're not already subscribed to that channel, you subscribe to that YouTube channel, Straight Out the Grease TV, because I will be posting some drama on there by tomorrow or the day after. Alright, so guys, we're getting down to the end. Remember, this is why you have to pull it and make it uneven, because when you get ready to braid it at the tip, it unravels. This is a very neat, easy hairstyle that you can do if you don't have the money to get your hair done, or you don't have the time to get your hair done. This is why I tell you, Dream family, is always an opportunity to look cute. Never a reason to be busted. Never a reason to look busted. So, bet not. Don't let me catch you. Anyway, so please do stay flawless, okay? Stay flawless. People judge you and treat you by the way you look. That's right. People treat you according to the way you look, okay? So now, you guys probably wonder what the heck I'm doing. What you're going to do is, after this is nicely braided, You're gonna and you had this nice and soft. You're gonna do this number right here. Bam! There you go. What? That thing is bad, ain't it? Y'all know y'all like it. I forgot to bring my bobby pin. That thing nice, huh? Y'all like it? Thank you, babies. Thank you, baby. Now, y'all saw me get ready right before y'all eyes. And you see that? Now, I got to put my lipstick on. But I don't think I got it in my purse. Y'all gonna wait on me if I go get my lipstick? Y'all wait for me, okay? Don't leave. I got to go get my lipstick. I cannot find my lipstick. But anyway, we're going to finish this thing on up. You got to put a black rubber band around the bottom to secure it. Depends on the color of the hair. You can get a rubber band that, you know, so it'll be a little bit more discreet. But that's fine, just like that. I'm going to show you guys also using Got to Be Glued. I laid my hair down, but I'm going to show you guys about using the spray to kind of like tame the flyaways in the ponytail. So you can use Got to Be Glued for so much more stuff than what you see people use it for. Like around here. And then I'm going to smooth it out. Okay, so. Alright, guys. So. If you want, you can put a bobby pin. But the way I braided it and the fact that I braided it tight, it makes the ponytail stay in place, you know. But if you want to take a bobby pin or something, you could just stick it right through there or through here and pin it down a little bit more, but I don't want to. You see those little flyaways that I'm getting rid of? Okay, so I got also the Got to Be Glue, the gel. So what I'm gonna do is just take a little bit of that, and I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put it on my hairline. I don't want to do like how everybody have that same look. So guys, just take your time and put your hair the way you want it. You don't have to keep going with them little circles that you see everybody else doing. Just do it the way you want your hairline. Alright, you see? You don't have to put them little bubbles at the front of your head all the time. So this is how I want my my baby hair to be. Just nice and simple, not so dramatic and carrying on and stuff like that. So there it is, guys. There is how, that's the way I'm gonna do my baby hairs. Let me know if you guys like the way that the ponytail came out. Let me know if this is something that you guys would try yourselves. I think it came out really, really cute. All right. Anyway, Dream Family, thank you for stopping by. As always, I really do appreciate you guys for stopping by. And then this is what I always mess up and I have to keep doing it. I appreciate you guys for stopping by. As always, thank you. Dang it. Okay. Y'all see the edited, uncut part. All right, y'all. So, that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. All right, y'all. I love you guys. Thank you for stopping by, Dreams. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and click on the notification buttons also so that you'll know each and every time a video is being uploaded to the channel. And remember, it's always an opportunity to look cute. Never a reason to be busted. So please do stay flawless. And I'll see you guys in the next video. This is so cute.